Hey guys, welcome back. As a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, most people use their stuff to make cards with. And this is some of the specialty design paper that they have. I'll have to look up the name of this. I think it's like Wildflower or something like that. Double-sided. Beautiful pages. Now, like the lighter ones can be written on the back, but the darker ones can't. But that's a gorgeous, gorgeous color there, so we're going to use that. But I don't want to make a card with it. What I want to do is make a journaling card with it. So I want to put it on a piece of this crumb cake here, because it looks like tea-dyed, although you can use tea-dyed paper if you want to. So I am going to trim this down a little. First of all, I want to trim this down a little. I'm not going to throw that strip away because I can use it. Or that one. I can use it for a different project. Okay, great. Now, excellent. And I want to mat it just a little bit. Move my scissors out of the way. And I want to go around it with some Blackberry Bliss. This is actually a recent color, Stampin' Up! Color. Although I do have retired ones as well, but okay. But these ink pads last forever. Now that's one of the older ink pads, even though I'll show you what the newer ones look like in relation to. That's what the newer ones look like. And they're a little bit easier to open. And the good news is with Stampin' Up! Inks, they are stored upside down. The ink is actually in the lid of their ink pads, because that's how you're supposed to store certain ink pads, is upside down, except for oxides. You can't store those upside down. But I've got ink pads that I've had for 10 years or more that have never been re-inked from Stampin' Up! And are still juicy. And the pads last a lot longer than Tim Holtz. Even with continued use. So that's one reason why I like them. I'm not saying that Tim Holtz doesn't have his place. I love Tim Holtz inks as well. But I'm just saying you definitely get more value for your money You know, even if the color is no longer available, check Mercari. That's where I bought a lot of my Stampin' Up! Stuff from before. Okay. And it's just a gorgeous shade of purple, I think. But I'm gonna mat or put this around. Yeah, matting just a little bit. I'll move it down. Although either side could have been used because they're gorgeous. Okay. Move that up just ever so slightly. And you can of course turn it in in any direction really, because they're not really directional. But you can write on the back of it, and you can further embellish it with stickers or words, stamping. So let's see. Maybe I want to add a butterfly to this. Something like that. That's pretty. Maybe I want to add a purple butterfly or a pink one. Doesn't really stand out very well. Okay. I also have these kind of foiled shiny butterflies. Those are pretty. Or maybe I want to add a steampunk butterfly. I'm trying to find maybe a contrasting butterfly that looks good. There's one. Not really contrasting, it matches because it's green, but it's still pretty nonetheless. And I've got some stamped words in the other one. That I could use. Green. Like that. Okay. And there we have a finished journaling card that can work for any journal. You could also cover a card base with this as well if you wanted to. Add even more embellishments if you'd like. But the paper does the work for you. And it's completely gorgeous. Worked well in a botanical journal, butterfly journal, purple journal. You could do a shabby chic journal, Victorian, any of those type of journals, and add to it maybe a woodland journal, any of those things. But just a quick way to use it, you know, and if you wanted to, you could take the other side of this. Why don't we do that? And add for some contrast. Beautiful. And there we go. And I'll save those scraps to use for something else. Alright guys, so that is my very first actual demonstration from Stampin' Up! Products to make a journal card out of. Let me put my glue back over there. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll in the description box below, I'll show you how to shop through me if you want to. I'd mainly signed up just so I could get the 20% off discount, which leads to quite a bit of savings, actually, because I just made an order for some more of the design paper. This turtle sent me as a thank you gift for shopping with her. As she is my demonstrator. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here again really soon. Bye!